Let's start with something honest. Most women are tired, not just physically tired, but tired of the constant pressure to always look put together, especially when it comes to hair. Because let's be real, hair can either make your life easier or it can completely stress you out. And in 2026, one thing is very clear. Women are choosing ease. Women are choosing convenience. Women are choosing beauty that does not require struggle. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the best protective hairstyles that will help you look polished, elegant, and expensive, without stress. Not styles that look good only on day one, but styles that actually work in real life. Styles you can wake up with, step out with, and still feel confident. Because the real definition of luxury today is ease. Now, let's talk about the first shift you need to make. If you want no stress hair, you have to stop choosing styles based only on how they look, and start choosing styles based on how they fit your lifestyle. This is where most women get it wrong. A hairstyle can be beautiful, but if it takes too long to install, too long to maintain, or too much effort every morning, then it is not a luxury. It is a burden, and we are leaving that behind. The first category of no stress hairstyles you need to embrace in 2026 is braids. But not just any braids. We're talking about lightweight, tension-free braids. Knotless braids changed the game for a reason. They are softer on the scalp. They look more natural. And most importantly, they don't give you that tight, painful feeling that makes you regret your hairstyle after day one. When done right, knotless braids can last for weeks. And all you need is simple nighttime care. A satin scarf, a bonnet, and minimal manipulation. That's what makes them powerful. Now let's take it a step further. If you truly want zero stress, length matters. Extra long braids may look dramatic, but they also come with more weight, more maintenance, and more time. Medium length or shoulder length braids. That's where the sweet spot is. They give you style without the stress. Now another powerful no-stress option that many women overlook is wigs. And before you skip this part, understand this. Wigs are not just for style. They're a strategy. A good wig saves you time, protects your natural hair, and allows you to switch your look without commitment. Imagine waking up, putting on your wig in minutes, and stepping out looking fully put together. That's not just convenience, that's control. But here's the key. If your wig is high maintenance, then it defeats the purpose. So in 2026, women are moving toward low-density, natural-looking wigs, glueless wigs, and styles that don't require constant styling. Because again, we are choosing ease. Now let's talk about natural hair. Because protective styling is not only about covering your hair, it's also about how you manage it. Low manipulation styles like twists, buns, and simple cornrows are becoming more popular because they allow your hair to rest, and growth happens when your hair is not constantly stressed. A sleek, low bun. That's one of the most underrated luxury hairstyles. It's simple, it's elegant, and it works in almost every setting. Work, church, events, even casual outings. And the best part? It takes minutes to achieve. Now let's talk about something important. Maintenance, because even the easiest hairstyle can become stressful if you don't maintain it properly. No stress hair is not just about the style, it's about the routine. Hydration is key. Your scalp needs moisture. Your hair needs care. Light oils, leave-in conditioners, simple routines, not complicated systems that overwhelm you, because the goal is sustainability. If your routine is too complex, you won't stick to it, and that's where stress comes in. Now here's another truth. The expensive look that everyone is chasing, it's not about doing the most, it's about doing the right things. Clean parts, neat finish, healthy shine. That's what makes a hairstyle look luxurious, not how complicated it is. So, as you choose your hairstyles in 2026, ask yourself this simple question. Does this style make my life easier or harder? Because the answer to that question will determine everything. And if you take anything from this video, let it be this. You deserve to look beautiful. Without stress, you deserve styles that work for you, not styles that exhaust you, because real beauty, real confidence comes from ease. And once you experience that, you will never go back.
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale. Queen in the mirror, watch how beauty prevails. Soft like sunshine, bold like fire. Every strand you slay, you lift them higher. From roots to ends, with love and care in every twist and braid. You're so rare. Oh, braids that shine under summer skies. Shula's touch makes every heart rise. Your beauty on fleek, see them stop and stare. Shula's braids and beauty, we got that flair. Colors and curls, style so smooth. Every look you rock, it's the groove. Crown on your head, walk with grace. Shula's art turns beauty into pace. Feel that beat in your soul, feel that rhythm in your hair. Every braid a story, every style debonair. From box to twist, goddess braids and more. At Shula's place, beauty soars. To all braids that shine under summer skies. Shula's touch makes every heart rise. Beauty on fleek, see them stop and stare. Shula's braids and beauty, we got that flair. Shula's braids and beauty, where you're meant to be. Sweet like melody, fierce like destiny. Beauty and braids, we make Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a